week, and the inducer is now vibrating pretty uncontrollably. It's not good at all. There we go. This top screw seems to, I don't know if it's vibrated loose or what, but it's not holding this thing secure anymore. I tried tightening it and it seems pretty stripped out. So the only way I can really keep this thing quiet is to come over here and hold it every time the furnace kicks on, which is no fun. So I think I'm going to have to order a new inducer assembly, because that's the only way this piece is going to be replaced, and that's what's stripped out inside here. So in the meantime, I just sit here and let my fingers go numb. I'll show you the rest when the parts get here.